Hi there, my name is Michael Lee and this is Motion in Product. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add a custom animation to be used as your page loader in your Bubble application. This will give you the crisp and professional experiences when you're transitioning between different views in your application, or when you're loading a lot of data and you want just something to keep the user occupied and something more engaging than just a little line that goes across that Bubble comes with by default. So stick around and let's see how this is done using the page loader plugin. This is the plugin. It's called 1T Page Loader, so link in the description about where you can get that. Supposedly really easy to use. All you need to do is go to Lottie here, where you can discover and find animations. So if you go to free animations, you can check out all the different kind of loading animations that you can get. It's sorted by all these different things. So for today's example, I'm choosing this animation here. Link for that also in the description. But the beauty thing is that you can actually go in here, edit layer colors. So if you click on this, you can change the colors of almost everything, and then use that as your animation. This is the end product that we're going to build. So we're going to have the animation here, and after a second we load up a page that does a simple page counter. So let's see how we put that thing together. To find the element to load on the page for this loader, you need to find loader here under visual elements and just plop that on the page. Once it's on the page, now it's just going to open. So if by default there's already a default animation here, and then that's a Lottie image, but if you want to change it, you'll have to add your own animation code in here. To get the code to put in here, first I thought it was this in the file, and you refresh the page, and that's not it. Go here to the page of your animation that you want, and you want to click on HTML. Once you're in HTML, you have all these things. You can control how you want to embed this thing. So I don't want to show the controls. Down here, you'll get this piece of code here. So you cut and paste this. This is the code that you're interested in, and that's what you stick in here. Once that's in there, then all you need to do is click, just update the page, and you have your animation loading up. And once your page is ready to be used and it's loaded, then the animation just disappears. So it's as easy as that. All right, that's it for today. If you found this tip useful, please click like and subscribe. I hope you join again in the future so you can learn how to build better products using no code and low code solutions.